Once upon a time, in a small village nestled at the edge of a dense forest, there lived a young boy named Ethan. He was known for his kind heart and adventurous spirit. The villagers admired him for his fearlessness and his willingness to help others. However, there was one creature that struck fear into the hearts of everyone in the village, the mighty and cunning wolf. Legend had it that the wolf would roam the outskirts of the village, lurking in the shadows and prey on unsuspecting livestock. The villagers were gripped by fear and despair, as their livelihoods were constantly threatened by the fierce predator. One day, while exploring the woods near his home, Ethan stumbled upon a wounded wolf cub. The young wolf's fur was matted, and its eyes were filled with pain and fear. Despite the popular belief that wolves were dangerous, Ethan couldn't bear to see the innocent creature suffer. With a compassionate heart, Ethan gently approached the wolf cub. He noticed that its paw was trapped in a hunter's snare, causing it immense agony. Suppressing his own fear, Ethan carefully released the cub from its painful predicament. The cub whimpered in gratitude, and Ethan felt an immediate bond forming between them. Realizing that the cub would not survive in the wild alone, Ethan made a bold decision. He decided to bring the cub home and nurture it back to health, against the warnings of the villagers. They couldn't understand why Ethan would risk his safety for a creature they considered a menace. As weeks turned into months, the once wounded wolf cub grew stronger under Ethan's care. The bond between them flourished and they became inseparable. The villagers watched in astonishment as Ethan and the wolf cub played together, completely unafraid. However, their newfound friendship would soon be put to the ultimate test. News spread that the feared wolf, the same one that had plagued the village for years, was planning a night raid on the livestock. Panic engulfed the village once again, and the villagers begged Ethan to stay away from the impending danger. But Ethan knew deep down that his connection with the wolf cub had changed the perception of these creatures in his heart. He had witnessed the cub's transformation from a wounded animal to a loyal companion. With unwavering determination, Ethan convinced the villagers to trust him and give the wolf a chance. As the sun set on that fateful night, the villagers huddled together, their eyes scanning the darkness for any signs of danger. Suddenly, the mighty wolf emerged from the shadows, accompanied by Ethan and the once wounded cub, now a powerful young wolf. To everyone's amazement, the wolf did not attack. Instead, it stood beside Ethan and let out a long, haunting howl. In that moment, the villagers saw the truth. The wolf was not a heartless predator, but a guardian, protecting the balance of the forest. From that day forward, the village and the wolf forged a new alliance. The villagers learned to coexist with the wolves, respecting their presence in the surrounding wilderness. Ethan's act of compassion and courage had not only saved a life, but had united a community in understanding and harmony. And so, the story of Ethan, the boy who defied convention and bridged the gap between man and beast, lived on for generations, reminding the world of the power of compassion and the strength that lies within the bonds we form, no matter how unlikely they may seem.